Hi, welcome to Appium tutorials. In my previous lesson, you have learned how to install android-sdk in Windows. Okay, and today we are going to learn how to set up environment variable for android-sdk so that your Android SDK will run without any errors. Okay, same like Java we have set for environment variables, right? Path, Java home. So same like that, you can also set up environment variables in Android SDK, and by this environment variables your application will run like Android SDK will run without any errors. Okay, so please watch my previous videos for more information on Appium plus Android SDK and Java. Okay, so let's start our session. So this one we will install in next lesson. Okay, now you have to set the variables in path. You set this path for Android SDK. So you have already discussed Android SDK software development platform, which is useful in developing mobile apps with the help of Android platforms. So these are the Android platforms it is giving. Okay, these are the versions it is available. Latest version is Android 7.1.1. So this is latest version, and again latest is 7.1.1 API 25. Okay, this I am installing. So this 24% is done. Previously I have installed and now I am updating this update. Okay, and this is not required presently. Okay, we have to set the variables as. Another one is these tools and platform tools. To set up this path tools as well as platform tools. These tools you have to set up, and these are my. Just go to here, advanced system settings. Right click, properties. You will see this system, advanced system settings. Yes, environment variable. So Android home and home right. Have set up path variables. Just go to your path, right click, means edit. You have set up these platforms and platform tools, so I will show you where I have set up. So you have to paste those two platform tools and platform Android SDK tools. Those two folders path should be set up in path variable. C program files, Android SDK, platform tools, and C program files 86 Android SDK tools. I have already set up, right? Just you have to copy paste this to click on OK. This OK. Yes, OK. Now we need to verify whether it is set up properly or not. Just go to command prompt. Just enter Android. Now it will load all the Java options, tools, everything it will load. It will open SDK. Right? This is open means your Android SDK is set up properly, and your in Windows it will work properly. Okay. Just close this one and exit. So I'm installing required update. It will take some time. So like this you have to set up your path environment variables in Windows. Okay, in my next lesson we will see how to install open ADT plugins for SDK in Eclipse. I have opened Eclipse already, so we will see in the next lesson. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my videos. Please share my videos with your friends, colleagues, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Pinterest, and like my videos. So you can read more tutorials at www.wikishown.com website I have created for. Here you can learn Selenium, okay, like Selenium WebDriver and load runner and JMeter. Shit, it will come here. Just modifying Selenium load runner, JMeter, okay, UFT and Jenkins, GitHub, and what I have given, Appium. So these are you will learn from my website and manual testing. You will learn these ones: Selenium, load runner, JMeter, SPF, Jenkins, GitHub, Appium, manual testing. These many things you can learn from my website wikishown.com. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please provide your valuable comments or questions or suggestions or any support related. So please provide your comments in the form of comments. Okay, thank you for watching my video.